In this video, we will show you how to turn off background apps on Windows 11. Turn off background apps on Windows 11 could save your memory and make your Windows 11 is faster. How to do that? First, to turn off the background apps, you need to open Task Manager. You can find Task Manager like this and opening your Task Manager here, and you can make this full screen. And to turn off the background apps, you can click this icon. Okay, just click this icon. After that, you can see there is almost all application that I have is already disabled. To turn off the another application, for example, I don't want to Copilot is running if I open my Windows 11, so we can right click and choose disable. Disable this after you restart your Windows 11. Make sure your application not starting when you open or when you turn on your PC or laptops. So the application for MS Copilot.x will not running automatically after we open our Windows 11. This is the easy way how you can disable the background apps on Windows 11. Just right click and choose disable like that. Okay, and you can also order the impact of your application. It's high, low, or none. Okay, and if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below. And thanks for watching. Okay, don't forget after you disable, you can try to restart your Windows 11. It must not automatically running the apps again.